Today we will talk about career planning. Unit objectives. At the end of this unit, students will be able to describe the guidelines to choose a career, explain the benefits of career planning, and discuss the tips for successful career planning. Notes for facilitation. The participant handbook provides content as per approved curriculum. Ensure that the training session covers all the topics falling under this unit. Plan the session in advance so that all the session topics are covered within the specified duration. Ensure that all the resources that are required for various activities are available beforehand. Facilitate active class participation during discussions and activities. Now the tips are: structure the session in advance. Give an introduction to the current topic and its relation to previous sessions. Learn about student skill levels and experiences before starting the session. Engage the students with real life examples, because when you give real life examples, people are more interactive and reactive. Allow students to share their views and suggestions during the session. Tell them that they are free to share their views, opinions, or suggestions about the session, about the topic. Allocate sufficient time for completing team activities and exercise. Now, what are the activities which need to be done? Ask each student to say what their career goal is for next 10 years and in which position would they like to see themselves in 10 years. आज से 10 साल बाद, 10 साल तक, 10 साल बाद वो खुद को कहाँ देखना चाहते हैं, उनका एम क्या है, उनका गोल क्या है, ये आप बच्चों से पूछो. As students speak about their aspirational position, write it on the whiteboard. जैसे ही आप स्टूडेंट्स अपना बताते हैं जो भी, आप उसे व्हाइट बोर्ड पर लिखो. फॉर ईच करियर गोल, initiate a discussion on the milestones or steps the students should keep in mind to reach the goal. आपने बताना है. जैसे ही बताएंगे बच्चे कि उनका गोल ये है, उन्हें ये बनना है, ये जाना है, तो आपने उन्हें कुछ ऐसे स्टेप्स, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें, कुछ माइलस्टोन्स बताने हैं जो उनको हेल्प करेंगे उनके गोल तक पहुंचने में. During the discussions, note each milestone on the board. जो भी आप बता रहे हो, जो भी आपको लगता है that it is a milestone and it should be noted, वो सब आप whiteboard पर लिखते जाओ. Then the career goals, time is given 2 hours and the resources which are used, whiteboard and marker. Then encourage all students to participate in the discussion. Motivate and guide the students by discussing the various milestones and steps they should keep in mind to reach their goals. Highlight the importance of career planning and working according to the plan. आपको उनको career planning की importance बतानी है, that why it is really very important to plan our career. And in the end, ask students to explain what they have learned during the session. Ask students whether the learning objectives have been met or not. Ask students to give their valuable feedback about the learning experience. That's all for today. Thank you.